Have you ever wanted to turn your long videos into short, shareable clips without spending hours editing? Well, I'm about to show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and I'm here to save you a whole lot of time, so let's jump right in. If you've already recorded your long video, great. If not, grab any recording tool, shoot your footage, and save it to your computer. Once your footage is ready, this is where the magic happens. There are lots of tools out there, like ones that create AI avatars and lip-synced presentations, which are cool for some projects. But for creators with hours of raw footage, those tools just don't cut it. Editing and subtitling can get tedious and expensive. That's why this tool is such a game changer. Upload your full-length video and it instantly scans for the most engaging, viral-ready moments. No manual searching needed. Just choose the vibe you want, funny, bold, or informative, and it picks out those magic highlights for you. No editing skills necessary, no timelines, no syncing, just smooth clips with captions, formatted perfectly for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. And here's the best part, once your clips are ready, the tool helps you schedule posts automatically. Set how often you want to post and your content calendar is planned out in seconds, fully managed and stress-free. Unlike other platforms where you download, upload, and post manually, this keeps everything centralized for you. It's built for creators who need an all-in-one solution, from raw footage straight to polished posts. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, educator, or streamer, this tool will honestly save you hours each week. Not the boring, save time kind of claim, the real, get your weekend back kind of time. If you're done with half-finished edits and random posting schedules, try this out and focus on what you do best, creating. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, or share with someone drowning in content chaos. Thanks for hanging out.